my bricks like a chimney. Got a stiffy, I got connection to something like Wi-Fi. Said it wrong, but you read me.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Samarra and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be doing a Bantu knots tutorial. We're going to get straight into it. Y'all know my socials. Check out my description box. And yeah, so basically the first thing I'm doing is free parting my hair. And what I mean by free parting, I'm basically just doing big triangle parts around my head. I don't have a set design. I was going by this look by India Love. I can insert her picture. But like really, like when it comes to parting your hair for Bantu knots, you're literally just free parting. Like you're going with the flow. So once you make your first part, I'm combing out my hair. My hair looks really dry and brittle. Mind that. But I'm going in with this 24-hour edge tamer. I just got this. This was my first time using it. And when I tell you, baby, that thing has my hair slick. It has it slick. Like really slick. I recommend it. My hair looks really dry and brittle because I tried to attempt a sleek ponytail before this and with that edge tamer, and it was so hard and I didn't feel like washing my hair, so I need a new hairstyle. So that's why my hair looks like this. Anyways, but yeah, basically I put the edge control all over around the perimeter of my hair, and then I tie with an elastic. I want to show y'all this trick. When y'all use elastics for your hair, put them in oil. I'm going to insert a video. Put your elastics in oil. This will help reduce breakage because a lot of people are afraid of elastics, and I understand why. But if you put them in oil, it will help reduce breakage because you're basically oiling your hair. So that's my trick. That's what I did. And now like this is sped up because I'm just going around my head, making big triangles and just repeating the process of the parting.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Ryan Little.
I'm giving y'all crisp parts. Like, look at those parts. I did that on my own. I recommend having 2 mirrors so you can see the back of your head. But what I'm about to do is just pull out my edges, because baby, we need our edges. Ain't nobody pulling it.
I've reached a point, it's like I begged for it.
So I am using braiding here to make my buns a little bit bigger. You don't have to, but yeah, basically I'm about to go with Shining Jam, and I'm gonna put that on my actual hair, because as you can see, my hair is really frizzy and puffy, and I just don't want it peeking through the actual hair. And then I'm just gonna attach the hair by braiding it. You can crochet it in, but I chose to braid it in. And here's the part where you're gonna start seeing me do a lot of trial errors. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to do these buns, like when I attached the hair, if I wanted to braid it all the way down, or if I want to braid it and then leave like the rest out, or braid it and twist it towards the end. And that's what I'm doing with these 3 parts that you guys are about to see. But the option I chose, and I feel like was best for me, was braiding it until I reached the end of my hair and then twisting it towards the end. And make sure it wasn't too bulky, not too small, and also it tucked my hair. So that's what I did. I braided till I reached the end of my hair, and then I twisted it. And you're going to start to see that by the 4th part. And you know, once you figure out how you're going to manage the hair, you just wrap it around and then you tie it down with an elastic. Boom. Simple, easy, straight to the point, protective, and cute. So that's what I'm going to be doing all around my head. Okay. Let me talk to him.
All these niggas wanna fuck JT. They do. Hellcat, this a SRT. Pull up G-Wax 6'3".
Make a 55, suck their teeth. You want to menage with a nobody. Now you can't with me.
Thing, period.
But yeah, y'all, I'm doing my edges, but that's basically that for this tutorial. It was very straight to the point, straightforward. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I really like this hairstyle. This is currently me going in day 2 with it. My only concern is how I'm gonna sleep. I haven't been sleeping peacefully, but shorty pretty hurts. So thank y'all for watching. Your girl's on the road to 8K subscribers, so please subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzy like I rock out in the show.